Hey everyone, hope you are having a great day. So, today we will be learning how we can add flexible shipping charges, which are different shipping charges to different packages. For that, we have to go to plugins and then click on add plugin. We'll add a plugin known as flexible shipping, which will help us to create different shipping charges according to different weights. So, search for flexible shipping. Now, this is the plugin table rate shipping method for WooCommerce and by Octolize with 1 lakh plus active installations. Click on install now. Click on activate. Now we have to go to WooCommerce settings and then shipping. So this is the tutorial video you have seen. You can watch it as well. We are in WooCommerce settings and we are in shipping. So we have to go to shipping zones. Click on shipping zones and add a new zone for you. Click on add shipping zone. We'll name it, for example, US shipping zone, or maybe you can name it as shipping charges, maybe whatever you want. So for regions, I have selected everywhere right for right now. You can select it to different and click on save changes and then click on add shipping method. Here you can see the flexible shipping. Click on it and then click on continue. Now it is created. So click on edit. Now we will edit this specific class. I don't want to text my customers. Just remove it. So here we can see the rules. Conditions always price and weight. So we can set it from for weight, price, and anything else as well. So first rule is when the weight is from 0 to 500 grams, the shipping should be $5. I want to set it like this. The second shipping rule, click on add rule, and the weight, when the weight is from 501 gram to let's say 1000 gram, under 1 kg, the shipping charges are $10. The third is when weight is from 1001 gram to 1500 gram, the shipping charges should be $15. You can set it as per your requirement, and you can also set it for price as well. Like if the price is from $5 to $10, the shipping should be this and that. So the last shipping is, I'll leave it blank. Like if it is more than 1500 grams to any weight, the shipping should be 20. Click on save changes in the end. This is a free plugin and it offers a lot of value. Here you can see you can also set a free shipping threshold. For example, it is set minimum order value is when you write in free shipping threshold tab is 100, then the shipping would be free. Click on save changes in the end. All set. Let's go to the product and see. So this is my website. I'll click on add to cart. The product is approximately 300 and something grams. So click on checkout. So here you can see the shipping is calculated as $5. So let's check out the weight of the product. If it is under 500 grams, yeah, it's 363 grams. So that's it. Hope you all understood it and do like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye bye.